Bonjour, bienvenue. Hello, my beautiful souls in Poland. I hope you will have a great Wednesday. We were really talking a lot about the tarot cards. I didn't have any idea what could interesting as a current to know about the tarot cards. So if you have any question, then you can write me leave in the comment, and I will answer for that, of course. Um, Then let's start. How about that? That's easy. You are watching Attila Roth. This is the sentence. Okay? So you're watching Attila Roth. Thank you for being with me this morning as well. Let's start. Let's see what is the energy that my lovely color of Aptaki in Poland need in order to have a successful day. Just we were talking about 4 times we are shuffling. First one was a fire, the second was the water, this is for the air, and the fourth one for earth. And it's 12th of March. Yesterday was 11th, yeah? I hope so. Okay, 12th of March. And the fifth one for the emotion. And let's see. The 12th of March, 12 card count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have the 12 cards. Before we go further, and I would like just you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. As I told you previously, if you have a question, leave in a comment and I will answer it regarding the tarot cards. The technical details, what you would like to know. Yeah, these actions help the channel to be in a YouTube algorithm and show up for those who need help on that day when they're looking for today. Depends on them. When you think that this video can help to someone, then you can share it, of course. Whatever the 12th card is, it will be on my Instagram account, the full description of the card. It's worth it to read. Okay, so let's see what is the useful energy today, what my lovely color of Taki need in Poland in order to have a successful day. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. Fire of fire. Wands fire. Ace fire of fire. New beginning. I would say, yeah, it's a new beginning, definitely new beginning. What you start. It's not coming by itself, but you start, and you feel that you need to start. Yesterday, if you remember, we had the Judgment Day reversed. Yesterday with the Judgment Day reversed for the reborn reverse. Its time is not here right now. This is not a reborn card. It's not your rebirth, but you made the first, maybe the second, the third, I don't know, the next step. You're doing the next step to go to this rebirth era in your life. But as an Wands, it's fire. You need to do Wands. It's always action. It's really action. It's almost physical action, I would say. It's action. You need to do. You need to start. You need to decide. You need to go there. You need to do this, do that, whatever. But you need to. You are the one who made the first step, and the time had come to make the next step. Yesterday we should find those details we were missed. I would say if you didn't do it yesterday, then today you had a good chance to find those details. Maybe they were coming just in front of you. Oh, really? I was not considered with that. I forgot. And that's why you don't need to think. One work less. It's great. So it will be an open door behind him, if you see. So the door is not closed, it's open. So you're absolutely supported to find these details, go ahead, find it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, and if you see that two different dimension act to me in this card, on my Instagram account, you will see the full card. I know it's far. On my Instagram account, there will be the full card, and you can see. So in this card, it's two dimensions. Behind the door, it's another dimension. So it's open. Today it's open. Everything is open. Let's find that. What is the details, what you missed? And then you can go further on what you didn't count. Yesterday I made myself as well on accounting, I would say, and I realized that what my ego wants, and what my higher self needs, it's two totally different things, to be honest. And the higher self is always important than ego. Unfortunately, we don't know. But this is our what my higher. This is our way what higher self need needs. Okay, so get the details. Find what was missing from the previous calculations, and then you can go further and you can go across this door and you can go to another dimension. Okay, with this card I wish you a happy and happy, no, happy, fiery, 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 yeah. So I wish you a happy and a fiery Wednesday. Thank you for being with me once again. Merci, belle journée, au revoir, à demain.